So check it out, the stairs are done all the way up to the split level second floor, and under there is how you get down into the bunker. Where's the bunker? Under there. Okay. Good morning.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year's. How are you? So yeah, going that way. Then around here, they're working on the corner. There's the bunker. Okay, so the stairs. Hey! How you doing? See how high the walls are against? And here we go. Now walk around the other side. Walk around the other side. So guys, they got the stairs in, they got the split level headed, and then they're gonna build another footer right in here after they get done using it for the concrete. Got the line set. Guess they're gonna pour one right there. Some mortar. They got plenty to work with. Bunches of steel still to put up. Bunches of wall still to put up. Interior too. And some exterior right in here. All that's got to be built. The plans, been looking at them a little bit while I went on film. And they call for a split level. So it's gonna be not a double story, but one lower floor, and then a half of it. It's like a split level. That's why they put stairs in there like that. Small stairs. They're out there cutting steel. But there's a good view from there. Long way away. You see they're almost to the top. All the way across. A lot done, a lot done. Anyway guys, that's the video for today. Thanks for following me. Get a good picture of this, yeah. That's a good thumbnail. And we'll end it with the workers out here.
No, don't.
It's better in the Philippines.
The Philippines good.
Hey, yeah. Better in the Philippines. Okay guys, we'll talk to you. Huh? Okay guys, so yeah, I'm at the back of the lot, which is not, these two lots belong to somebody else, but it's part of like a compound, if you might say. You know, you had a house here at one time. It's all one place, I think. And yeah, so I'm walking from the back. This in between them is for sale. I think it'd be like this lot from right here to that house will be just for sale. I don't know how much it costs. I don't know how much they're asking for it. But over there's a lot, and this is a lot that I'm on right now. And that tells you about what he had. Now he's got a little walk around space and stuff. Drainage, conduit, and rebar. Here's some more conduit over here. This is steel. Lots of steel. They're bending the steel right there, see? Bending and cutting it. See, there's a little scrap pile. They're bending and cutting it though. He's bending it with all his might. Strong, macho. Macho, bend the steel. Macho, macho man. Yeah, so we got you steel benders here, and then they're gonna saw it off at length over there. And I'm gonna go and walk over here to the bench and sit down. The little workbench. Oh, it's got the plans here too. I wanna go over here and sit down. Take a break. Glad y'all joined me on this video, again walking, of mine for the house build. Check out the playlist. It has from beginning to now. And then the next time it'll be more and more and more until it's finished. I'm gonna stay to the finish. I'm working it out for my channel there. Hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe, like, ring the bell and notifications. Press all notifications and you'll get all the new videos I do in every subject, and mainly entertainment and educational niche. But I just write it up under entertainment and everybody can see. But you can see how far they've gotten. Hope you guys stay with me. Have a great day.